Our secret weapon for the bathroom is our vertical wall garden.
Heaps cool colours in that, eh? I like the purples.
Wait till it goes in.
Yeah. So our buyer, we hope we get a bit of a nature lover.
If you're lying down in the bath and you want to relax, you turn around and there you go. You look up and you're like, ah, looks good. Looks really good. Do you like the garden?
Oh, the garden's in. Yeah. Nice.
We're done. We're amazing. That's what we are.
The judges are going to open the door and just go, whoa.
Yeah.
All the couples are working hard into the night. Except, what's going on here?
I'm just about to enjoy this cocktail.
So Scotty said that he didn't think that we would finish by 5 p.m. Saturday.
Maybe by 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we might be having a cocktail.
Oh, turn it up. I love the confidence cocktail.
I think Scotty's underestimating us.
Thanks, Scotty.
Thanks, Scotty. Cheers.
Yeah, all right, all right.